Hi, everybody. Then you understand that today we will have a preview of our new feature, like freight commerce. Then let's start with a few key points that not all of you may have clear. Like, everybody knows what is a commerce. A commerce is a platform that helps us making business in internet. But there are many types of e-commerce there. The principles are business to consumer and business to business. How you can imagine these two types of commerce are really, really different. We can throw a few points for make this clear to you. The first thing that comes out is the end user. Of course, in B2C scenario, the end user is the customer itself, while in B2B can be retailers or distributors. But things like payment options, when you are buying through the internet, like across Amazon, you are used to pay directly using credit cards. While in B2B scenario, usually there are lines of credits or even bank transfers. There is no direct payment because the company is registered in the organization itself. But price strategizing as well might be different. Like we are used in B2C scenario to just navigate commerce in the price, maybe discount coupon can be applied, while in B2B scenario, dynamic pricing is the must. I mean, pricing can change with many, many, many different points. Again, let's have a look how the order process is in the two worlds. Usually, while throwing in a B2C website, we are used just to buy it. You add to a cart, you go through the checkout process, and then you get your order. That's it. It's just confirm, and you can see your order there. While in B2B scenario, this is quite complex because order may need approval. May need approval in many different things, like depending on the amount of money or maybe the region where the product will be shipped, who knows. But this is quite a big difference. And the order management itself is different because in B2C, we just go in our account page, and we are used to see our order history, and we see the order status if things are shipped, where they are, we have our tracking number with couriers. But again, in B2B, this is completely different because B2B has many synchronized processes out there with ERP system, with CRM. So the order is synchronized always. And this comes across with the lifecycle of our order. In a B2C scenario, the lifecycle order is very easy because you start to order adding things to the checkout. And in a B2B scenario, order can just start offline or even can be imported in ERP and then synchronized in your portal. But the vice versa can work too. So this, we come to the last main difference, that is the marketing strategy. For B2C, the marketing strategy is focused on the emotions of the product bring to your life. It's very emotional, we apply our SEO, we have our SEM strategy and all of stuff that you know very well. But in B2B, the marketing strategy is quite different because we focus on the benefit, the products, the features of the product, the technical details of that product. So you just can imagine that it's completely two words. But there is a point in common. There is the user. I mean, the buyer is a person. And it's the same person, even in a B2C or in B2B. So how is this changing today? Well, we're seeing, everybody remember this, right? We are used today to go in a grocery store and pick up our stuff. This is how I buy each day my soap. But today, things are different. Today, we have this. So the world is changing. This even is an e-commerce example. But this means that even I don't have to go to the store when I need something. I don't have to plan my days for go to buy what I need, but just I buy when I need. So how it will be in future? What about 10 years, 5 years? Things are changing very fast. So in 10 years, we even don't buy when I need, but the system will be smart enough to understand when I will need something. And I even don't have to ask to it, and I have an order there. So we're seeing that the experience is changing. Everybody now is making push cases from any device they have, even from you can pay with your watch. So there is an improvement in the user experience through our buying experience that is wonderful. But then this come across, and we are seeing that the users, the millennials, are coming out. That means that the same users that was used to have a wonderful user experience in B2C world are requiring that B2B experience as well. So we are seeing that there is a convergence of features. Always more B2B user ask for the same user experience of B2C. But again, company need to prove it. B2B company can just risk to be left behind. This is a world that is changing so fast. So things like recommendation is always required right now in B2B world as well as the B2C one. But again, for B2C company, it's quite complex today to go in B2C world. When a B2C shop starts growing, they start to have the feel and the need of features that are not properly to their world, has price listing and complex price strategy, and then they stop it. They stop it because the platform they was on is not capable to achieve this. But again, I want to welcome Liferay Commerce, guys. Liferay Commerce is a unified platform that will bring the best of the two worlds of B2C and B2B in the same platform. Of course, we are going to use all the powerful, all already existing Liferay features as extensibility. With OSGI and modularity, things in 7.0 changed a lot. And API-first approach with the new incredible project going in Liferay has Vulkan API. Again, it's very hard to you. You also use it to Liferay shopping portrait. So please, even don't think in that. It's a completely different solution. It is supposed to be a product. And we can divide our product in 3 different steps. We have the step of catalog management. Here is the place where the administrator can manage his product. And manage his product means a full product information management. Things like options, SKUs, attachment, images, even product types can be changed. We are going to support out-of-box different product types like simple product, virtual, bundle, grouped product, as we are used in B2C world. But then we need a commerce engine. We need things like payment, things like taxes, discounting. Inventory, I saw that very important. Yesterday, I had a lot of feedback in inventory. So this is a full engine. Thanks to this, we come to the customer portal. The customer portal is a full product, ready to be used. You're just going to download it, and it will be ready. We will ship to you things like account management. You will organize your organization in a different way than are used today, configuring your pricing quoting depending on your organization itself. So it's a quite big challenge, but I love DEVCON because it's a developer conference. So I had the not sane idea to speak about commerce and show you a demo. So, okay. Let's open the browser then. Then this is a team that will be shipped with our commerce, and this is how it will look. The experience, it's completely different than a normal Liferay installation. You can see things like navigation. You can navigate through category of products. And you can have a natural feeling, showing product and filtering. Going in the detail page, and you here have a full detail page with things like images, description, even specification options. And you're able just to select the right color and to add it to the cart. So again, this is not just a set of portraits, this is a full engine. But even we can go, it was not that hard to have this. But the challenge here is to create a full commerce with benefits. So let's log in. Let's see how it looks inside. When you come across, you see that there are all the needed that we have, like inventory, like shipping information, images, and we have SKU management. So our product can change depending on our options. So again, each SKU can define pricing and can define shipping adjustment or inventory problems. But this is our standard solution. But which one is the challenge? The challenge is to give to you the right platform to be extendable and to ship to your customers the perfect product. So I will show today a brief demo of some of extensivity capability of our Liferay Commerce, and I will introduce you the concept of prototype. A prototype is a type of product, of course. So by default, we have these three ones. And how hard it is to create a new prototype? Well, I will just show you what we can do, and then I will show you the code. So let's deploy a module. Let's deploy. I know that in a demo this is not a good idea, but again, let's try. So right now, I am deploying custom extensions. For custom extension, I'm not changing the core of Liferay Commerce. I am just using its extensions point. But let's see if it is going to work. So let's wait. OK. So how you see, now we have a new voice there that is the exploded product. This is a powerful example to understand the capability that we can achieve. Let's try to create a product like then. test product, DEVCON. Yeah, I have to choose a display page. Now you see that thanks to the new product type, we have a new tab there. We have the exploded tab. So it's a completely out-of-box feature. And what this gives to us? This gives to us the capability of just, we can drag and drop image here. And starting to map the image I drop it. So we map few points, And then go to mappings. I see the list of number I was mapped, and I am able to map that number to a product. Even I can search for the product. I'm just going to choose pick one. So, and save it. But, this is very easy to do. But I want to show you how it looks in the front now. The front now changed completely. The front now is interactive. So we bring a completely new experience with just installing a module. That is amazing. If I tell you that for make this interaction, there are just 300 lines of code, that sounds very, very good. Try to do this with some platform that you know, and then tell me the amount of code you need to it. This is just natural for our commerce. You are able to interact with images and even add it to the cart. So again, but that is not just the unique feature. It is extensible as our fantasies. So let's check out. So this is right now the checkout we have. We are working in the new steps, but I can even add new address or just select address and see my summary of the order, and then I got my order. But even thinking how hard is for other platforms to extend this checkout, well, for us, this is just implementing in a class. We have the concept of checkout step. You just implement your own checkout and you provide your own view, and it will be just fit in the commerce. So we are bringing out a platform that show a lot of extensions points. But again, let's go back to the demo. So how you see, we wanna cover the customer lifecycle itself. I'm losing the. We wanna cover the customer lifecycle itself. We wanna follow the customer from the prospect stage with giving them a powerful tool as the catalog manager is that allow the customer to manage their products. And thanks to the capabilities already there in Liferay as web content management, they can just create fantastic prototype. But then, as customer, they need a store engine. They need make sell products that they manage. So they need all set of functionality that we are providing. When they trust in us, we want to ship them and just share with them our knowledge of the world of commerce. So we are thinking to archive this. It asked, sorry. We are thinking to archive this with our three features. So we are going to have the catalog management, the commerce engine, and the customer portal. But I will learn how to use this, I promise you. This is a wonderful announcement. It will be released in H2 of next year, when the new Liferay 7.1 will be shipped out. And right now, we are looking for early adopters. If you have a commerce solution coming on, please contact your Liferay country manager and ask for information about. You may be the right early adopter we are looking for. And then I have a wonderful information to all of you. If you follow me in the morning, you can remember that I was a community member as you. So I'm so proud to say that it will be open sourced. It will be like completely open sourced with all the core capability. Of course, it will follow the Liferay policy, so there will be features that will follow just in DXP. But again, you will have an open source product that just can achieve all you needed. And thanks to you. I hope you enjoyed.